Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, you've already heard the app named Arattai or Arattai. Yes, you heard it right. This is the application, the messenger application created by India. You can easily say this is the Indian WhatsApp. Yes, it was actually created specially to compete the WhatsApp. In today's video, we will explore whether this application is really better than WhatsApp or really compete than WhatsApp, or how much accessible it is for visually impaired. Those who are interested to learn more about this application, keep watching this video till the end. Hi, this is your friend Ratul and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel V.I Tech Academy. Let me know from where you are watching this content. Type your country name, type your location into the comment section so that I can understand how many viewers are watching from India and how many viewers are watching from other countries. So in this video, I'll tell you everything. We will discuss every feature of Arattai. Without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to download this application from Google Play Store, I think App Store also. I'll also provide the link into the video description below as well as on our official WhatsApp channel. In our WhatsApp channel, we also post some other tech news and daily information, so don't forget to follow there. I have already downloaded and created my own account. So let me open the application. The account opening process is quite similar as you do in your WhatsApp.
Arattai, Arattai.
So after opening the application, you will find some tabs at the bottom of your screen.
Stories, tab 1 of 4, in list 4
Stories
items.
tab.
Meetings, tab 2 of 4.
Meetings tab, yes.
Selected, chats, tab 3 of
Chats
4.
tab.
Calls, tab 4 of 4.
And then calls tab. So stories here, you can keep stories up to 1 minute, which will be visible for the 24 hours. In WhatsApp, I think you can take up to 30 seconds. I forget because I am not using this status feature in WhatsApp as well. Top 2-3 features which is very useful in this Arattai application. One of them is meetings. Yes, you don't need to go or download Zoom or any other application. You can directly schedule and create meetings here, and you can do team meetings within the Arattai application. But please keep watching this video till the end, because at the end I have to tell you something which is very important. So now let's explore the chats tab. So as I'm in the chat tab,
Stop with 3 minutes. Navigate chats. Search button.
So first is a search button. As you understand that here you can search
Button.
and then I don't know what's the button. Probably
Detected. Icon. More image. Circles in the dark.
Probably more
Selected.
options.
All. Tick box.
All.
Not selected. Direct 1. Tick box.
Direct chat.
Not selected. Groups. Tick box.
Groups. Direct means one-on-one chat.
Unlabeled.
Okay. Like the filters system we found in WhatsApp.
Detect. Recently joined contacts. Anas P1. In list.
Recently joined contacts. After that, it's showing some name, which means this person has recently joined Arattai.
Anna Das.
So this is another person
Chat
name.
list item view chat. Kaushik Hickory.
This is another person name. So now
Chat list item view chat DP view. Button.
view chat DP. So which means this is a
Kaushik Hickory.
info type things. Okay. So let's open this person's chat.
Arattai.
Now I'll try to show you what are the options
Detected.
available
Image.
here.
Kaushik Hickory.
This is the name of the person.
Navigate up. Button.
So this is the back.
Video call. Button.
Video call
Audio call.
and audio call. Though I did not test the audio call or video calls, but I'll try to test and I will make another short video to describe this, because right now I cannot call and I can explain this because the video screen is recorded, right?
Button.
Then it's a button. I don't know what is the button.
Detected. Icon. More image. Circles in the dark.
So here is more options, like you can customize the chats or
October 2nd. In list.
then this is a date.
Hello waving hand I 6:43 p.m.
This is the message which I have sent to him
6:43 p.m.
in the
Message status icon. Button.
message status icon, but it is read
Detected.
or
Icon.
delivered. I don't know.
I 6:43 p.m.
Then it's replied from this person. Hi.
6:43 p.m.
That's it.
Message composer attachment icon. Button.
Then
Out of
message
list.
composer attachment icon.
Detected.
So this is
Icon.
the
Add
attach
image.
button.
A black and white icon.
So
Description
let's
accuracy.
see.
Medium.
Just going here.
Gallery.
Now it is saying add image
Row
options
1.
only
Column 1.
available.
In. Files. Doc scan. Location.
And
Contacts.
below that, at the bottom right at the bottom of your screen, you will find some tabs. The same you find in Telegram, not WhatsApp, in Telegram. Okay, but the problem is here when you swipe. I mean, when you touch. See, I have touched at the left, very left of
Detected.
the
Image.
bottom.
Person. Clothing. Hand. Description accuracy. Low.
Second tab is there. Third is there. Fourth is there.
Stop
Fifth is
recording.
there. But
Button. Window gallery.
fourth, fifth is there, but it is not announcing. But if you just keep your fingers
Detected.
little
Image.
above of the bottom,
Image
see,
view. Button. Image view. Button. Image view. Button. Image view. Button. Image view. Out of grid. Files. Doc scan. Location. Contacts.
files, doc scan, location and contact. So if you just move this, if you want to move this, then you need to first keep your finger at the very left of your bottom of your screen. Then you need to swipe once, then activate, then try it. Like this is not so much
Arattai.
accessible.
Type here. Edit box.
But typing things, yes, obviously it's accessible. Type here, then
Message composer expressions icon. Button.
here you can find the expressions like emojis
Detected.
and other things.
Message composer send button.
Then
Button.
send button.
Stop recording.
But the only
Message
problem
composer
is
send
like
button.
message
Button.
composer,
Window
message
Arattai.
composer is an extra announcement of
Detected.
talkback.
Icon.
in this
Microphone
case.
image. Message type.
Now let me
643.
quickly
V.I
click on the
message
button
6.
which I
Hello
find
waiting. Button.
here.
Pop
And
up
let's
window.
see.
Pin.
Pin, we can pin the chat.
Mute.
We can mute the chat.
Chat background.
We can change the chat background.
Add shortcut.
We can add the shortcut to home screen.
Stop recording. Button.
So these are the
Arattai.
options available
Arattai.
for one single chat. Though I do not have any group, so I'm not sure what are the features available for group cases. So if you are agree with me, guys, so I'll try to provide you the user ID of my Arattai, so you can just join me, or then we will try to plan create a group and then test. Then together we will explore. So guys, before moving to the next feature of Arattai, we have an important announcement for you. Guys, we are also offering one-on-one private coaching for visually impaired. For example, you are starting in class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, MBA, BBA, college, and you need assistance. Like for example, you need teachers for your subject, English or whatever, or you need help for your coding things. Okay, so we are also offering personalized classes on basic to advanced computer, includes MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, web development, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, and much more. You can check out our website from the about page of the channel, and you can join our any courses. And we are having our sound designing course also. So if you're interested, you can join that sound designing course also. So guys, let's move further. Now we have explored that this
Stories.
chat tab.
Meeting. Selected. Calls. Tab 4
And
and
then
4.
under calls tab, I think you will find some
Calls.
options. Let's see what the
Stop.
options
8
are
minutes.
available.
Navigate calls. Call logs. All your call
Call
logs will
logs.
get listed here.
So here you can get the call logs, as I did not make any calls, so there's no call logs. Now I'll just show you what is the about
Meetings.
meetings.
Tab.
So I'm clicking
Meetings.
on meetings.
Selected. Chats. Tab 3. Calls. Stop. 8 minutes. 4. Navigate meetings. Search. Button.
So here is the button.
Unlabeled. 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 Meet now. Join.
Meet now, join,
Schedule.
schedule.
Tick. Upcoming. Radio button.
So here you can
Schedule. Join. Meet
check
now.
all your
Unlabeled.
meetings,
Unlabeled.
available
Button.
meetings.
Pop-up window.
Just I'm clicking on that unlabeled
Settings.
button,
Recordings.
and here see recordings.
Settings. Stop recording.
Settings
Button.
available.
Settings. Window
So
pop-up
this
window.
settings is specially for the meeting purposes. So let's explore that.
Arattai. Settings. Reset.
Reset.
Notification during meeting. None.
Notification
View list.
during meeting.
Meeting video. Start or join meeting with video turned on.
Okay.
Off. Switch.
I turned this off. This is the same like in Zoom we find now. When you are joining the meeting, the video should be on or off.
Meeting audio. Start or join
Meeting
meeting with
audio.
on. Switch.
Obviously off.
Always show meeting controls. Show meeting
Always show
controls
meeting
even
controls.
off. Switch. Recordings. Off. Switch.
Recordings.
Confirmation to leave. Ask
Confirmation
on.
to leave.
These preferences will be applicable only. Stop recording. But these Arattai.
So same things you find in the Zoom.
Detected.
The same
Icon.
things you can
More
find here.
unlabeled.
Okay, so now I'm not sure how
Detected.
you can
Icon. Video image. Text. Description
create
accuracy.
the-
Low text. Plus.
meetings. Okay, so
Unlabeled. Arattai. Date October 15th. Editing.
see,
Edit
you
box.
can
Enter
schedule the
meeting.
meeting
Unlabeled.
also. See,
Editing. Edit
third
box. Enter
unlabeled
meeting
button.
title.
So here you need to enter the meeting title. So I'm just giving
Capital D windowing. Cap E E M M. Stop record. O O.
demo.
Time 8 p.m. window Date October 15th,
So
2025.
let's say today
Time 8
and 8
GMT
p.m.
plus 5:30. Duration 30 minutes.
Duration 30 minutes. So let me just
Keep
increase
hours.
the duration.
Minutes.
See.
0. 30.
Oh, here you can increase or decrease the
Repeat meeting. Never.
duration.
Showing English. India.
You can
Party.
repeat it.
Co-host.
Co-host, you can make the co-host. I think it's free.
Participants.
Participants.
Password page 59 R2L.
Password. So if you want to use
Record.
password, use record.
Off. Switch.
It's off. You can turn this on.
Agenda. Add.
Agenda. You can add one agenda.
More
Same as
options.
Zoom.
Schedule. Button.
Then click on schedule. So once you click on schedule, the meeting will be scheduled and you can share the link with others so that others people can also able to join your meeting. Okay, so though
Keyboard
I
enter.
didn't
Dialog.
try this,
All your details. Cancel. Discard.
I didn't try this meeting things as well also because this is
Detected.
very
Icon.
new to
Calendar
me
image. Icon
also.
on a blue background.
So
Description
I just
accuracy. Medium.
explored few features and now I'm still exploring. So if you want to explore with me, join me on Arattai also. Now one more interesting feature I'm going to talk about is Pocket. The feature is also available in Telegram but not in WhatsApp. Pocket means a personal storage, personal chat where you can keep your important documents, important messages saved there. But remember, okay, I'll tell you later.
Navigate up.
So I'm going back
You list. RP.
and then I click on RB, which is the
Stop
my
recording.
profile name.
Button. List. Window wrap. Night mode. Fix notification. Setting. Link.
And see
Contacts.
here.
Pocket. Start mentions.
We have
Start
this
messages.
mentions.
Mentions.
You can mention.
Start messages.
Start messages.
Pocket.
Pocket. Yes. So here, if you open the Pocket, you will get a chat list, and this is very similar to Telegram's saved messages. Now let's come to the point whether this application is useful or not. First of all, this is made in India, which means whatever data you put here, it will be within India. Second thing is it is designed by the Zoho Mail Corporation. Okay. Third thing is the application is 60% accessible. Yes, this actually disappoints me. And if this video is watching by any of the Zoho Corporation's employee or if you know anyone, please share this video. And this is my humble request. Please make Arattai accessible for visually impaired and other disabilities so that user will be increased. And apart from this, Arattai's user interface, it is not so easy to use like WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, when you open, all chat list will open. Okay, and here you can get everything. Okay, so UI should be more optimized for, especially for the new users, those who are not techie. But in WhatsApp, if you are not techie, if you are not aware about the technology, still you can use WhatsApp. So that's why WhatsApp is more easy than Arattai. I really appreciate that this application is designed by the Indian technology, Indian company. But I'd like to give you the suggestions also. Please improve this application's UI, accessibility and other things so that the application will be more useful for the Indian users. The best part of this application, Pocket and this meeting things, then especially Zoom's 40 minutes limitation. I think there's no limitations for now. One more important things. As per the Arattai, call is end-to-end encrypted, but messages are not end-to-end encrypted. So this is also another disappointing point. So WhatsApp is still little more, not little more, WhatsApp is still win the challenge. So if you compare between WhatsApp and Arattai, obviously WhatsApp will win, but I hope Arattai will also able to catch the WhatsApp and add these features. In Arattai, you can also create broadcast and channels. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section. I will drop a dedicated video on those topics. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know how did this video help you in your journey into the comment section. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.